This is gonna be good.
Infectious. You think that was cool?
I had my lathe unplugged for this whole time. In favor of my glue gun, which I can unplug now. Plug in my lathe. Everything's at low speed. Make sure everything is out of the way, relatively. Never done this before, so it could be tragic. Or it might be fun. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. And it held together. Even better. All I'm doing is wetting down the canvas with some water. That'll help the paint flow a little better. And it will also help tighten up this canvas. This is an old canvas. This has been sitting around for a while. Haven't done anything with it. Haven't actually picked up my paintbrushes in a couple of years, I think. I just want to give that a good wetting down there. Let them colors flow. The beautiful thing about this is my shop. I don't care. I get colors flying all over the place. Honestly, that's what I'm trying to do. I want to get some colors flying here. Yeah, nice and wet. Come around here. Dry it off a little bit. Alright. It's a pretty cool start. Let's see what happens. Apparently my titanium white on that big thing is completely gone. I'm just going to play here for a bit. Right now, full speed. Why? Why not? Nice, super wet. See what happens. Oh yeah. Digging that. Alright. Now, try that again. A little more on there. Oh, that is super cool. Basically, nothing that grandma got on it. Okay, I'm liking this. This is fun. This is fun. Painting on a lathe. Who would have thought, huh? Super wet. Yeah. There we go again. And spin. I gotta get an external switch for this thing. Oh, neat. Neat. Brighten this up here a little bit. Start getting upset. A little bit more external. loaded up my little palette here with some yellow.
Oh, super cool. Ha! Oh god, I love that. Oh, it's so violent. Let's do it again.
Okay. Super cool. Okay, now I gotta dry it. I'm feeling those corners a little bit. See what I can do anyway. Sure the camera is right. So I'm just mixing the green in with the yellow here. What green is that? Phthalo green, cad yellow. Nice and wet, sloppy. So this is the most main corner where it is here. Get that wet. You want that to travel. Not crazy about the green though. It's a little too green. A little too green, so I'm going to bring that back to yellow a little bit if I can. See how they blend together. Medium heated cad yellow on top of this green. I'll actually blend it in, so now it's going to be a little limey. Yeah, let's go like that. It's really thick blobs on here. There we go. Oh, that's a little thick. That's just going to fly off as a blob. Mixing that a little. In there. Before it dries up on me, let it go in. Neat. Well, that was a lot of fun. And it took me into a couple of worlds. You know, my love for wood turning, and you know, well, I got my lathe spinning this thing around, and my love for painting too. I always kind of wanted to do this, but I, you know, always thought to myself, well, that's not what a lathe is for. Jeez, you can't do that. Why not? It's my lathe. There. I just wood turned some art.